Now I will solve one question which will be asked for 5 marks by using the concept of composite function. Prove that f from n to y defined by f of x equal to 4x plus 3 where y is equal to y, given that y is equal to 4x plus 3, that is actually the range of this function f, y is the range of the function n, is invertible. Also write the inverse of f of x. For this type of function, when we want to prove this it is invertible, the method is you have to find a function g from y to n. You have to find a function g from y to n such that f composite g is equal to g composite f is equal to identity function. If it is possible to find such y, then g is called inverse of f. The method of solving this type of problem is you have to take like this. Let y belongs to y such that f of x equal to y. For all the problem you have to take like this only. Take an element in the range of the function such that f of x is equal to y, and that is what is f of x. F of x equal to 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3 is equal to y. By using this equation you have to get the value of x. In this problem it is very easy to get the value of x. 4x is equal to y minus 3 and x is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4, which is in the domain of the function. This element y minus 3 by 4 definitely which belongs to n for all y belongs to y. The reason is the set y is equal to 7, 11, 15, 19 and so on. These are the only elements in y. The reason is the value of y is equal to 4x plus 3. See this, y is equal to 4x plus 3, where x is a natural number. When x equal to 1, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. When x equal to 2, 4 into 2, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. And when x equal to 3, 4 into 3, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. And this is the set y. And for all the elements in this, it is possible to get the value of x using this formula, and which is a natural number. For example, if you put y is equal to 7, 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 by 4 is equal to 1. And if you put y is equal to 19, 19 minus 3 is equal to 16, 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. You need not write this set in the exam, just I explained here. And let us take g of y as x, that is y minus 3 by 4. Let g of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4 for all y belongs to y. Now g is a function from y to n. G is a function from y to n. Now you have to show that g composite f of y is the identity function, and f composite g of y is also identity function. First let us consider f composite g of y, that is equal to f of g of y, and you know it's already taken g of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4, and once you have written g of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4, it is possible to find f of y minus 3 by 4. See here, the definition of f of x is f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. And what is f of z? F of z is equal to 4z plus 3. What is f of t? F of t is equal to 4t plus 3. Now you have to find f of y minus 3 by 4, and this complete you have to take as z or t like that, and f of t is equal to 4t plus 3. That means in place of z or x or t, you have to replace it by y minus 3 by 4. Once you substitute this by y minus 3 by 4, 4 cancels, and what will remain? Y minus 3 plus 3. And next step, 3 gets cancelled, and what will remain? Y, and which is an identity function. Which is an identity function. Similarly, consider g composite f of x. That's equal to g of f of x. And what is f of x? F of x is equal to 4x plus 3. G of 4x plus 3, and g of x, g of y is y minus 3 by 4. What is g of y? G of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4. What is g of 4x plus 3? And replace y by 4x plus 3. This is y. 4x plus 3 minus 3 by 4. In the first step, 3 cancels, and you will get 4x by 4. 4 cancels, you will get x, which is an identity function over the set x. Finally, we have g composite f is equal to f composite g is equal to identity function. Therefore, f is invertible, and f inverse is equal to g. F inverse of x is equal to g of x. We have g of y. What is g of y? G of y is y minus 3 divided by 4. And what is g of x? X minus 3 by 4, which is inverse of x. F inverse of x is equal to x minus 3 by 4.